Chile faces a key moment to sustain the economic growth achieved in recent decades. The huge challenge is to build a robust competitive energy network that allows us to promote the economic growth and the development of Chile without compromising the safety of the environment. The renewable resources integration is the pure definition of the difficulties of this whole challenge. Chile presents ideal conditions to explore photovoltaic generation. The large territorial dimensions and the high rates of Chilean solar radiation show the country has a significant potential for generation of solar energy. Besides, the energy consumption profile matches perfectly with the hours of high solar radiation, and electricity prices have been rising for several years. There is a well-organized electricity market that provides low-risk investment rates. Also, the government is promoting renewable energy development through many agency policies. However, given all this perfect condition for investment, why there is no evidence of an increase of photovoltaic park construction yet? The answer relies in the issues due to integration of common shareable infrastructure required to photovoltaic generation. Transmission lines and generation reserves are structures that promote competitiveness of solar sources if they are addressed collaboratively between the agents. Furthermore, we can observe disinformation of large global investment funds. Wind investment companies are unaware of the competitive advantages of Chile for solar power generation. This fact leads them to turn their investment into less attractive markets with higher risk presence and lower returns. In order to overcome these barriers, Chile requires improving of the advertisement of their own energy market structures and conditions to those of the world. Promote integration and coordination of the agents involved and build efficient mechanisms for evaluating solar investment. Financial valuation models must include the unit commitment, operation under uncertainty, and transmission cost and reserve existence. It is necessary to build an open-source platform that replicates the energy power system topology and the electricity market behavior in Chile, a website which conveys the energy investment conditions and financial assessment tools that incorporates uncertainty metrics to construct scenarios. In other words, create a system that simulates the energy matrix, settles a new solar project assessment methodology, and most important, is scalable and open source for the investment community. Our solution aims to engage the interest of large investment funds, highlight the attributes of the competitive advantages in the country, speed up financial assessment process, incorporate new risk operational metrics, and set environmental impact studies procedure. Large foreign investment generates quite a lot of benefits for the community. First of all, we reactivate the inflow on capital markets, encourage job creation to deal with unemployment, diversify the energy production system, and reduce electricity prices. Several benefits are accomplished from investment in photovoltaic generation projects, but the main focus is to promote the economic growth and the development of Chile without compromising the safety of the environment. That's our main goal to achieve. Although there is evidence of the existence of power system operation models, these platforms are owned by consultant companies immersed in electricity market research activities. We highlight also Smith, Seplex, PLP models developed by several companies. However, none of them are available open source, neither are featured to simulate the behavior of the electrical network under scenarios with strong renewable energy inclusion. Our initiative is to build a collaborative platform to coordinate agents, promote the foreign investment through detailed and rapid assessment. Construction of preliminary studies in order to promote the foundation of a massive photovoltaic generation park in the north of Chile is an effort that requires the support of the government agencies. It is an opportunity to engage all institutions in order to establish our country as a model for sustainable energy development and achieve the goal of 20% of the total generation to being provided by renewable resources in 2025.